si Sikoy Desa, mega love shout out. Hi, si Sikoy. Naglilinis ako, sis. Kasi mukhang matagal na ito hindi nalilinisan eh. Dami sili oh. Lahat ng mga ano ko guys, mga ingredients nandito lahat. Andito ako sa Riyadh. $3 million, mega love shout out. Lahat ng mga mga spices nandito lahat. Hi, Sanji! Thank you so much, my friend Sanji. Thank you. Salamat, guys. Ben, thank you, Ben. Ang dami kong mga lahat to guys, mga mga seasonings, ang dami, no? Salamat, si Sikoy Desa. Thank you, si Sikoy. Okay man sis, mababaw na naman yung pagkahulugan ko. Ben, baka tulog na yun, Ben. Wait lang, message ko siya, Ben. Salamat, 5 million people. Thank you. Mega love shout out guys, 11 million, thank you. Saj, thank you so much. Mababaw na naman ang pagkahulugan ko, Ben. Naku, lagot, Sats, time out ka. Oo nga, Sats, pasensya ka na kay Nightbot. Sorry, Night, Sats. $6 milyones, mega love shout out. Thank you so much, everyone. Ay, Tessa, mega love shout out from Bernie Pogi. Ang dami kong seasonings, guys, no? $9 million, mega love shout out. Mansoor, hello Mansoor. Thank you so much for coming, Mansoor. Thank you, Mansoor. Ano yan? Ben, kay Sarah ba? Kuya Bernie, Pogi Channel, meron ako balita sa'yo kung mag-live kayo. Oh, may chichismis na sa'yo si Daddy. Si Ben. Lady Girl, mega love shout out. Salamat, Lady Girl. Ayan, may jacket na po kayo. Salamat po. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy, Lady Girl. Oh, Lady Girl Channel. Thank you po. Yan, balikan ko kayo guys, ha? Tapusin ko lang to. Thank you so much, guys. 9 million people. Mega love shout out. Thank you po. Naku, marami pala yung babalita si Ben. Ano na yan, Ben? Pwede pa share, Ben? Ben, ano yan? Ibalita mo, Ben. Dami kong popcorn, guys, oh. Si Kuya Lady, OTW na sa'yo. Sino ba to? Si Kuya Lady, done subscribe sa'yo. Ayan. Mag-iwan ako ng bakas dito sa short video mo, si Kuya Lady, ha? Ito, nandito ako, si Kuya Lady. Ayan. Baliktad, nagdikit muna ako bago manood. Wow, ang ganda. Ayan, 6 million. Mega love shout out. Ayan. Connect each other po tayo mga lalabs. Thank you. Ayan. Dito ako si Sikoy mag-iwan ng bakas ha. Dikit na ako sa'yo. Si Sikoy Desa, thank you. Aba, may sikreto kayong dalawa ni Bernie Pogi Ben ha. Pa-share naman dyan. Si Sikoy Leyte, Dan connect na sa'yo. Si Sikoy Desa, nandito ako sa short video mo. Si Sikoy Desa ito, sa short video mo. Ay, may blessing. Thank you, Daddy. Salamat sa blessing, Daddy Pogi. Yan, si Sikoy Desa, sa'yo ba to baka? Ano, ihawin na natin to. Ayan. Ay, salamat sa blessing. Thank you, Daddy. Aw, akala ko si Sikoy kambing pala ere. Si Sikoy Leyte, Dan connect na sa'yo, lalabs ha. Nag-iwan ako ng bakas, lalabs. Nag-iwan ako bakas, lalabs, Leyte. Yan, si Sikoy. Full watch na ako si Sikoy Desa. May pambili na akong bigas. Thank you po sa blessing. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Four million people. Thank you so much. Dito ko dikit. Thank you so much, amazing people. Thank you po. Buto. Ay, buto. Ayusin dyan, ha?
You left me broken, shattered in the dark. Took all the love, tore it all apart. I begged you once, I cried in vain. But now I've healed, I face the pain. You can't come back to me like I'm someplace you run to easily. I've closed that door, I've thrown the key. You lost the right to love me. Don't say you miss what you let go. It's too late now, I'll let you know.
Thank you, guys.
You can't come back to me.
Ayaw na. Thank you.
Now after setting me free, you thought I'd wait, just stand around while you were out chasing someone else down. Out chasing someone else down. But hearts don't pause when left behind. I found my strength, my peace of mind. You can't come back to me like I'm someplace you run to too easily. I've closed that door, I've thrown the key. You lost the right to love me. Don't say you miss what you let go. It's too late now, I've let you know. You can't come back to me, not after setting me free. I gave you chances, more than a few. But love can't survive what you put it through. Now I walk alone, but not in pain. I'm not the same, I've changed my name. You can't come back to me. I'm not the past, I'm finally free. No turning back, no make-believe. You chose to leave, now let me be.
Thank you, guys. 3 million people, mega love shoutout. Huwag na muna tayo mag-music. Uy, masakit sa ulo ba yung music, guys? 3 million, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, amazing people. Thank you so much, 3 million people. Thank you. Salamat, Ben. Sisikoy Lady, thank you so much. Sisikoy Lady, thank you. Ben, thank you, Ben. Daming candy, guys, oh. Ngayon dito, Ben, is 9:29 a.m., Ben. Yan, umaga pa lang dito, Ben. Five million people, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Six million, thank you. microphone dito sa live mo ate ha. Matulog ako kay kusog ang ulan tulog. Okay Ben, thank you. Thank you Ben. Sisi Kuy Lady, thank you so much. Makakasilip din ako sa live mo, Sisi Kuy Lady ha, kasi connect na ako sa'yo. Hi, my friend Prakas. Thank you, my friend. My friend, thank you. Thank you so much, my friend Prakas. Thank you so much for coming. How are you today, my friend? I'm good, my friend. I'm good. Six million people, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend Prakas. Thank you. Thank you so much, amazing people. Thank you. Thank you, guys. $7 million. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, my friend Prakas. Thank you. Salamat, Sisi Koy Butangera. Thank you, Sisi Koy, sa pag-BG mo dyan. Thank you. Ako, naglilinis din ako eh. Hi, Sir Lerkan. Wait mo lang ha. Wala pa eh. Alanganin talaga. Guys, baka gusto niyo magpagawa ng mga music na walang CPR? PM lang kayo dyan kay Lorcan MC, guys. Legit na legit yan. 100% legit. Thank you so much, amazing people. Thank you, thank you. Guys, pagawa na kayo guys ng mga kanta nyo, music background, pang reels, pang YouTube, pang StreamYard nyo guys. Gumagawa yan siya guys. I-PM nyo lang siya sa kanyang FB, Lorcan MC guys. $10 million, thank you so much. Guys, pag nagpagawa kayo ng mga music dyan, guys, pwede nyo na i-upload dyan. Walang CPR. Ben, pagawa ka na, Ben. $10 million people, thank you so much. And guys, sa may nais guys, magpagawa na kayo. Oo, Ben. Ano yan? Legit yan, Ben. Walang CPR yan. Yung mga kanta ko dyan galing yan. Inday, bilisan mo dyan. Maglinis at magluto ka pa ng ulam. Ben, i-PM mo lang siya, Ben, yung MC Lorcan niya, yung FB account niya. Sisikoy Lady, baka nais mo magpagawa ng mga music dyan na walang CPR, music background pang StreamYard. I-PM mo lang yan, yung MC. Lorcan MC, yan yung gumagawa. Yung mga music ko siya yung gumawa, guys. Walang CPR. Sisikoy Lady, PM mo lang siya si Saip kung nais mo. Pwede siya pang reels, pang kahit saan, basta legit yan. Yung mga music ko sa kanya galing. PM lang po sa aking FB. Yan po yung FB niya, binaba po niya, ha? Murang-mura lang yan. Hindi kayo malulugi dyan. 9 million, thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Ben, pagawa ka na Ben. Ako. Pwede mo siyang i-upload sa sarili mo mismong channel. Walang CPR. Malapit na rin ako matapos. Yan, 7 million. Yes! Naku, salamat sa inyong lahat yun, guys. Guys, PM is the key. $8 million, thank you. May naalala ko nito guys sa foil na to. Di ba yung mga addict pag nag-hit-hit ito yung ginagamit? Marami ako niyan. Sisi Koy Lady, thank you so much. Ayan guys, PM na kayo guys. Lorcan MC. PM is the key. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Laban-laban. Walang bawi. Pag nakapagpagawa kayo ng kanta guys, hindi kayo lugi. Panalo kayo dun. Kasi nga, wala ng CPR. Ma-upload nyo pa sa sarili ng video. May views pa. O diba? Sana kayo. Siya ba yung mga kanta ng song? Siya yan gumagawa, Ben. Oo, PM mo lang siya, Ben. Sa kanya yan, Ben. Sa kanya. PM is the key, guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung mga potato. Diba? Ang liliit. Ma-upload nyo pa, guys, pag nagpagawa kayo. Oo, Ben, lab, gawa na yan, Ben. Kaya safe ka dyan, kasi nga, lahat legit yan. Mura lang yan, Ben. Pag may sale sa Ben, siya Ben, ang dami. O Ben, try mo Ben, mura lang. $6 million, thank you. O sige Ben, PM mo lang siya mamaya. Nandiyan naman yung FB account niya, yung MC Lorcan. Pwede mo magamit yan Ben sa live mo, yung mga kanta niya. Ben, screenshot mo na yung ano niya, FB niya, baka matakpan eh. $4 million, thank you. Sisi Koy Lulu, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Sisi Koy Lulu. Eto, naglilinis ako, sis. Maraming salamat. Shout out din sa iyo, Langga, Sisi Koy Lulu. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, amazing people. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Naglilinis si ako, guys, kasi ang dami ng alikabok. Baka pag dumating yung madam, sabihin, ba't ka naglilinis? Hello, my friend, Prakas. Thank you, my friend. Thank you for coming. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm good. Ganun talaga si Sikoy. Ako, dapat ilang araw na to tapos na yung trabaho ko. Tinatamad ako eh. Bumabawi sa tulog. Ang anghang kaya nito. Yung lasa niya parang perfume na oud. Si madam gustong-gusto itong kainin. My friend Prakash, you know this? You know this kind of sweets? Yan. This one. This is, it's very spicy and the taste is look like a perfume oud. I don't like the taste. This one, I like this. I know you know this, my friend Prakash. Yan. This is my favorite. Yeah, it's very nice taste. Thank you so much, 11 people. Thank you, thank you. Ito ba, sis? Ano siya, yung laman niya sa loob parang soft, pero masarap siya. Ito lang yung ayaw ko. Kasi yung lasa nito parang oud siya na perfume. Ang loob ba niya, natikman ko, Diyos me, sobrang pangit yung lasa. Paborito ni madam ito. Panbahar. $6 million, thank you. Thank you, Sisi Koy Lulu. Tapos na siguro yung work mo, sis. friend, thank you, Prakas. Thank you. Thank you, amazing people. Thank you, everyone. Di pa hugas pa ng mga kalat sa kusina. Oo nga sis, nakakatamad ano? Ako ang tamad na tamad ako eh. Ako nga lang mag-isa dito, pero ano. Hello my friend Puran, thank you. Puran Prakas, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Puran. Thank you. $12 million, thank you. Thank you so much, amazing people. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ang baho ng spray ko. Ayan, tapang. Sisi Kuy Lady, thank you. Ben, thank you. My friend Prakas, thank you also. Thank you. O sige, Daddy. Sige, sige. Sisi Kuy, Lulu, thank you so much. 1 hour lang naman ako, sis. 1 hour lang ako, guys. Thank you so much. Fitness World, thank you. I will give you a moderator, okay? I'm fine, Fitness World. I'm fine. I'm good. Thank you so much, everyone, for dropping by. Thank you. Six million, thank you so much. Fitness World, done connect already. Fitness World, done connect already. I'm here now. I'm watching to your short video. Okay, Fitness World. I'm watching here. Yeah, all right. You're welcome. I'm already done connect, okay? My friend Fitness World. Okay, don't worry, I'm watching, okay? Like and then I'll give some comment here, okay? Oh, nice. Wait. Your video, this is on only very short. Puran, thank you. I will return you. It's okay. I'm here now. I'm watching here. Did you see your video or no? I'm sorry because my mobile I cannot put. Yeah, I'm watching, okay? I don't know how I will put the stand here. I will do like this, okay? Yeah, okay? Oh, I hope will not fall. Can you see your video, my friend, Fitness World? This is how much time? The time is 3 minutes. Alright. Satar, hello, my friend Satar. Hello. You okay? I'll make it so you can see. Okay? Alright. Don't worry guys because this is only my stand because my mobile is it's difficult to make it. I'm here now in Saudi, my friend. Fitness. Thank you so much everyone. Oh, I have long video dear. Yeah, it's okay. Mashallah in Saudi, yeah. I'm here in Saudi. 9 million people, thank you so much for dropping by. I have long video. Yeah, I know you have long video. Baka nais ninyo po mura. Ayan guys, PM is the key. Yan. Thank you so much everyone for dropping by. Kape-kape ate. Salamat, Sir Lurkan. Thank you. My friend Fitness World, after this your video, maybe I will play. You have a playlist, right? I will play your playlist, okay? After this video. Thank you so much everyone. 7 million people. Thank you. Yes, I have play. Yeah, okay. That's better, okay? But now this one I will play first. Your video. I guess this is 3 minutes. Inom beers tayo. Oy, naglalasing ka, Ben? Thank you so much. Sisi Koy, Lady Girl. Thank you, Langga. Thank you, Langga. You're welcome. You're welcome, my friend. Puran Prokas, thank you so much also for coming. Ayan. You have ads here, my friend, Fitness World. Let me finish your ads, okay? Because this is money. Don't skip the ads because that is a money. My channel is not, it's not money. Oh. Bakit ka naglalasing, Ben? Let me finish your ads, my friend, Fitness. I will play your video. It's okay, my friend, Fitness. Oh, 3 minutes is done already, right? Let me find another one more video. Sisi Koy, Lulu. Ayan, lumabas na yung video. Let me play this video. Kabsat Larry, maraming salamat, Kabsat. Oh, this is nice, my friend, Fitness. Oh. Thank you so much, amazing people. 9 million, thank you. Thank you for dropping by. Wow, nag-exercise ka. Hindi yan ako, Kabsat. Thank you, Kabsat, sa pagbisita. Thank you. Isa sa ating mga supporters yan, nagpapaplay siya. Ayan guys, gawin na natin 1 hour and 30 minutes. Malapit na. Thank you so much, amazing people. Thank you. Si Fitness World. Si Fitness World. Ayan yung name niya, Kabsat. Nag-exercise siya. O siya yung trainer. My friend, Fitness, are you a trainer? Or no? Wala yan. Mukhang palipad yan. Sisi Koy Lady, thank you. Yes, okay. You're a trainer. I thought you're doing exercise only. Thank you so much, amazing people. 7 million, thank you. Sisi Koy Lady girl. Nawawala yung aking signal, guys. I'm very Nawawala yung aking signal, guys. I'm very sorry. My signal is very poor. Guys, I have 10 minutes more left. Mag-end na po ako. Thank you so much, amazing people. Sir Lord Khan, thank you. Fitness World, thank you. Lady Girl, thank you. Kabsat Larry, thank you. Sisikoy Lulu, thank you. Ben, thank you. Bernie Pogi Channel, thank you. Ayan, Kabsat, connect na sa'yo si Fitness World. Thank you so much, my friend, Fitness World. Thank you. Love it. Love and connect each other, everyone. Here, thank you. Ex-girlfriend. Ay, Diyos me, Brin. Huwag mo na pagproblemahan yung mga ex na yan. Maraming babae dyan. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa para sa'yo yan. O, di ba? Ganun. Huwag mo sayangin yung sarili mo dyan, Ben. Sa babae lang. Maraming babae dyan, Ben. Malay mo, nandyan na pala sa tabi mo, di ba? 16 million, thank you. You're welcome, my friend Fitness. After my live end, I will play your playlist, okay, my friend Fitness World? No worries. I'm working only in the house. Thank you so much. Oh, Ben, wag iiyak. Wag mong iyakan yan. Hindi inaiyakan yan. Sinisipa yan, Ben. Thank you so much. I really appreciated my friend Fitness. Thank you. I'm done subscribe also with you, okay? Please bell also the notification bell. My friend Fitness. After my live, I will play your video. Give me your WhatsApp number. Oh, my friend, I'm sorry, I don't have WhatsApp number. Thank you so much, my friend Fitness. Thank you. Thank you to all my friends here in the Whitey Worlds. Thank you so much for coming and dropping by. Thank you so much. Respect po ran, bro. Thank you so much, amazing people. Thank you. After this, my friend Fitness, I will start your playlist, okay? And then I will share in the community so you know I play your playlist. Thank you so much. You're welcome. It's my pleasure, my friend Fitness World. Thank you. Thank you, guys. I'm here in the side only in the washing machine because I don't have place to sit because it's too much messy here now. I'm cleaning the house. Ayan. Please put bell in all also my yeah. I put all bell, my friend. I will show you. It's okay. I put already bell. Bell all. So, if you have a live or video, I know that because I put bell already. Yeah, I will show you. Let me see here. See? This is my friend. Okay? So, and then, you want to see here? Oh, I put all already. Can you see? Okay? I put bell all. You're welcome, my friend. I have 3 minutes left more, and then my live is over. Later, I will do live also again because today I have too much work today, so we need to clean the house. Thank you so much to all my friends here in Whitey World, silent viewers and not silent viewers. Thank you so much for dropping by, and I love you all, guys. Okay. Thank you so much again. You're welcome, my friend Fitness. You're welcome. 2 minutes left. Thank you, everyone. And then I will play your playlist, my friend. Okay? Thank you so much, amazing people. Fitness World, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Okay. My time is over. Ayan. Okay, to all my friends here, my live it's over now. Thank you so much for coming and dropping by. To all my friends here, Fitness World, thank you. Sisikoy Lulu, thank you. Lady Girl, thank you. Kapsat Larry, thank you. Bernie Foggy Channel, Ben, thank you. Prakas, thank you. Puran, thank you. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much, my friend Fitness World. Thank you. Ben, thank you. Thank you, my friend. Alafis, everyone. Alafis. Thank you, Alafis. Bye. Alafis means bye, okay? Bye. Thank you, everyone.